Hey there, Will here, and I thought I'd do something a little different today. Different only because it's stuff that I haven't done on the channel yet, but I intend to. So it won't always be different, is what I'm getting at. I've done a lot of tech reviews, a lot of phones, earbuds, stuff like that. But anyone who's seen the channel knows that I do poetry. I'm a writer, and one of the pieces of tech that I use a lot for writing is one of these, and this is a fountain pen. Um, I used to work at a small boutique fountain pen shop in Northern California, and I've amassed quite a collection. But I thought I'd start off with one of the more special ones in my collection, which is a Montblanc um, Edgar Allan Poe Writer's Edition fountain pen. It's a medium nib, and it is a gorgeous writing instrument. I've had it for about, I want to say, a dozen years. It was given to me as a gift, and it has, like I said, a medium nib. It has a lot of embellishments on it, and I've used it quite extensively. Written a lot with it. I like to write longhand quite a lot because I find that writing longhand means you have to have several drafts of what you're doing. It's not like a computer where you can. I find myself backspacing a lot. I'm kind of a perfectionist, and using a fountain pen kind of helps me override that. I've seen a lot of fountain pen reviews online with, like, here's the tip and the tail and filling mechanisms, stuff like that. Writing sample. I don't know how much use that's going to be to you. Writing sample. Um, Mont Blanc writes really, really well. It's either a 14 or an 18 karat gold nib. I'll be honest with you, I don't remember, but it's very smooth. Also depends on what kind of ink you have. I use a Pilot Iroshizuku ink with it, and it's a twist off. It's a piston filler. Most relatively high end fountain pens are, um, and yeah, it's a lovely writing instrument. Um, it does write really well, but it's a Mont Blanc. They all Mont Blancs write really, really well.